Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a birthday card on Scratch. So let me show you how it's going to look like. So once you click the flag button, a button should pop up and it's going to say press only on your birthday. Once you click the button, this animation should show up, and there's two singing sharks which take um turns singing each of the lines of happy birthday, and then there's a banner that's like tilting, and here's the cake. So let's get started making this. So let me just stop this real quick, and you need to make a new project, and then you delete the cat sprite and go ahead and get the button sprite. Now you need to go to events, get the when flag clicked block, and then you need to go to motion, get the XY coordinates block, and then you need to go to looks, get the show block, and then you need to go to control and get the forever block, and inside the forever block you need to go to looks, change color effect by this, and then set it to 3, and you need to set both of these to 0, the x and y thing block to 0. Both of them should be 0. Okay, so let me wait 5 seconds for you to finish that. So when flag clicked, go to x0, y0, show, forever, change color effect by 3. Okay, after you're done with that, we're just gonna go to events, and then when this right click, you need to go to hide. You need to go get hide, and then you need to go to events, and you need to make a new broadcast. So new message and broadcast, go. So then you need to add that there, and then stop other scripts and sprite. You need to get the stop other scripts and sprite. So you need to get the stop scripts and other scripts and sprite. Okay, we're done with that, and now we need to make a backdrop. So if you didn't know, a backdrop is actually the background of the stage. Go ahead and click on stage, go to backdrops, and you see the backdrop is blank, so you need to get a text box, and you need to type press only on your birthday. So birthday, and you need to, I'm gonna change the color to, let's do blue, because blue is my favorite color. And yeah, and then we're gonna make this a little bigger. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah, that's good. Put it right there. Okay, now we need to change the font. You can do any font for now. I'm just gonna use sans serif. Okay, we're good. And now you need to go to code and make sure your thing is on stage and not on the button one sprite. So now we need to go to events. When flag clicked, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. When I receive go, so you need to go to events. When I receive go, switch backdrop to party. Switch backdrop to party. So yeah, we need to get the party backdrop for to switch to party. So get the party party backdrop to party. Okay, so now we need to enter the cake. So, okay, there. Put on the cake right there, and then you need to load the birthday song for the cake. So you need to go to songs. And, oh, it's already there. Wait, just to make sure. Yep, that's it. So you want the cakes to slide in from the left like this. It should slide in. So now to make that happen, you need to go to events, get the one flag click block, go to looks, yeah, there. You need to get the hide block, switch costume to cake A, switch costume to cake A. So there's the, wait, wait, oh, one's with candles, one's, okay. So now we need to go to events. When I receive go to X, go to XY, take that out, and negative 300. And then let's do negative 100. So now I need to go to looks, get the show block, and then glide 2 seconds to 0. I need to glide block. So glide 2 seconds, 2 seconds to 0, and y negative 100, negative 100, negative 100. And now you need to go to control, get the forever block, broadcast line 1. So go to new message, line 1. Broadcast line 1, play sound birthday until done. Play sound birthday until done. Play sound birthday. So now let's make this bigger. And now I need to wait 10 seconds. Wait 10 seconds. And yeah, we're good. We're good on the cake. So let me just pause to make sure you all get the code. So when flag click, hide, switch costume to KK. So that's the first part. Then we need to go, we put that on the side, and then you need to go and get the when I receive go to X negative 300 negative and then Y negative 100. Show block, glide 2 seconds to X or Y negative 100, and put the forever block there. Broadcast line 1, place on birthday until done, and then wait 10 seconds. So now, if you're done with this, then we'll start making the birthday banner. If you're not, you can pause the video. As always, you can pause the video for extra time. So let's get started by making the birthday banner now. So now you need to go to hover over, but don't click on it, and then click the paintbrush. And now you need to make a square. Well, not really a square, a rectangle. The color, I'm gonna make the color, let's see. So happy. But you can't see the letters because it's Yellow. It's blue. Wait a second. Yeah, we'll just make the square again. And then type happy birthday. Okay, then change the color to yellow. Make it bigger. Put it there. And do that. Okay, there. Well, all good. So now you need to go to the code tab and you need to get the when flag click block. Hide. When flag clicked, hide. Go to X0, Y120. So you need to go to X0, Y120. Then you need to go to events. When I receive goal, point in direction. We need to go to point in direction and set it to, let's see, 80? Yeah, 80. Point in direction 80. Okay. 80. Then we need to go to looks, get the show block, put it right there. And then you need to get the forever block. Turn 20 degrees. You need to go to the turn right 20 degrees. You need to get turn 20. Get this. And then get the turn 20. You need to go to control. Wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. And we're done. So now we're gonna make the singing sharks. So now we need to click the sprite symbol. And then go to animals. And where's the shark? There. Shark 2. So now we need to duplicate this. Duplicate. So we need 2 sharks. So we duplicated it. Now we need. So let's name this shark 1, shark 2. Okay, so shark 1 and shark 2. So shark 1 should have one flag clicked, hide. Wait a second. Yeah. One flag clicked, hide. Go to XY. XY. Point in direction 90. X negative 165. Point in direction Y180. Yeah. Okay. And then switch costume to Shark A. Switch costume to Shark A. Okay, so then we need to do when I receive go. So that's an event. When I receive go, show glide 2 seconds. So we need to go to motion, get the glide. 2 seconds to x negative 165. Yeah, 165. And negative 70. Negative 70. Okay, so now we're done with this shark. And now we need to go to shark 2. And then go to events. When flag clicked, hide. When flag clicked, hide. Go to X 165, Y 180. So go to one. Go to X. Set rotation style left and right. So left, right. Point in direction negative 90. So point in direction negative 90. Switch costume to Shark A. Okay, so we're gonna stop here for today, and that's the end of this video. I'll be posting a part 2, and yeah. So before you go, make sure to sub to my channel. Make that red button gray. It changes nothing for you, and helps me out. And you can follow me on Twitter and follow me on Instagram. And please comment down below what you think of my videos. And bye. See you on the next one.